Welcome to room 2097 of Bally's Hotel in Las Vegas. This is a studio in the Resort Tower. There are two towers, the Jubilee Tower and the Resort Tower. This is the Resort Tower and a studio room. Inside you got a nice little closet with your safe. Then we head into the bathroom, nicely appointed. Walk-in shower. Now we'll head back into the main room. Lots of space, hence the reason this is probably called the studio. Not quite a suite, but it does give you a lot of room to live, especially if you're going to have an extended stay. An attached wet bar. With a refrigerator. One of two refrigerators in the room. Full-length mirror for getting ready. 55-inch flat screen TV. Lots of storage. Working desk. The second of the fridges. Very deep drawers for holding on to your clothes. This room is a king. Bed was very comfortable. Your lamps are going to conveniently come with a regular charger as well as a USB charger for both lamps for charging cell phones or other devices at night. A pair of comfortable chairs for relaxation. Table for dining and or storage for the junk as the room gets busy. This tower faces, on this side, the high roller, and north along the Las Vegas Strip. Out there we have Wynn and Encore, the West Gate, mountains in the background. South would be the Westin. Just down the street would be Ellis Island. It's the casino closest to us, going in the other direction. Turning this way, you have Flamingo, Mirage in the background, Cromwell, and up there is the Strip, Caesars Tower in the background, and the other set of mountains in Las Vegas. View is pretty at night with the high roller lit up, but certainly not a strip view quality. This is an unusable patio. The doors are locked. They open about 4 inches to vent the room, I guess. But as in the case with most Las Vegas properties, they're not going to allow you out onto the patio for fear of you having a bad day at the gambling tables. So, what do you think of the Bally's Studio Resort Tower room?